How did you go about raising capital when you got started? How I first got started with raising capital is was able to leverage that through friends and family. And so starting with the power base, and it was actually my partner's friends and family that we were able to leverage more of with operating capital to buy these single family houses. And then we would renovate the single family houses and then cash ourselves out with outside investors and then go take that capital and go do it again. So it was the whole BRRRR method, as those of you who are on Bigger Pockets are very familiar with. And that's how I was able to really scale things up. So hopefully that answers your question, Corey. But if you're asking how to go about finding investors in a way, is starting with your power base as much as you can, family, friends of family, friends of friends, and keeping it as tight knit as possible. And then from there, you can start to branch out to attending local meetup groups, to local real estate meetup groups to find other investors to network with. And then secondly is you can leverage biggerpockets.com, which is another phenomenal source. It's essentially networking as if you were going to a local real estate meetup, but online. And you can network with people on there and even take it offline and meet them in person. Bigger Pockets has been a phenomenal source in terms of being able to raise capital from that platform. I'm trying to think, probably between 6.5 to 7 million just from there alone in terms of raising money from that individuals on that site. So that just goes, and it's all about value exchange. So that's one thing I always want to mention is that's what you are providing to someone. Meaning that they are trusting you with their money and you are offering them in exchange a return. Some people just look at it as taking someone's money, which that in terms of a mindset, I would say from personal experiences, looking at it as this is a mutual relationship and I'm bringing you value